हम चलो ना अभी मेरे पास बैटरी भी खत्म अरे बहुत गंदा दिख रहा है अभी किस करेगा कोई हम लोग को आगे का एक्सरसाइज कुछ करेगा हम लोग देखो छाता का छाता हम लोग इस करके गोल गोल घूमेगा
ऐसे डंडेगा एंगल
नहीं हम लोग
किस करो ना
ये तो ऐसे दिए
उसको देखो ना क्या हम लोग
इधर कैसे रुको हाँ
तो पाव पाव पर मत दिखाओ
हाँ नहीं दिखा रहा पता है
लेटा की तरह चलो वहां तक के गया
हम तो कुछ भी करेगा तुम अपना खाओ
जूम किया इतना तक से
हो गया क्या हो गया क्या
आगे नहीं मारी इधर है
हो गया बस छाता को ऐसे रहता है
जूम है इतना करो सिर्फ आगे का जैसा लग और क्या करेगा जोर से बोलो ना बस so funny पानी में नहीं zubirubi pampara zubirubi parampara zubirubi nache que paga se quema zubirubi हो गया
ये तरीके से बोलो ना तुम
अंजलि हो गया ना वाह चलो
How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know.
So now we are going to do a kind of shoot, you know. We will be making reels, so you know it's raining and it's the perfect time for us. So we are done shooting, and you know the results are very good, I guess. But you know, in Insta we cannot save it with the audio, so you know, let's just see what happens. And now I'll be sleeping. अभी हमें अंजलि को अलविदा करना पड़ेगा. अंजलि जा रही है हमें छोड़कर, जैसे वो करती है हमेशा वो कर इंग्लिश में बोला था हम भूलिए था. नाउ अंजलि इज लीविंग एंड यू नो हाँ उसके बाद देखिए, और जस्ट सी माई एडमिट कार्ड, you know, पूरा एकदम aesthetic बन गया. It is looking so aesthetic, and you know you can see gum sick.
My got some fungus.
Yeah.
लग गया होगा.
It is all because of the rain, so we blame the rain, not us. And you know, Anjali, say hi to my viewers.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Gum sick. And yeah, yeah. बात को फिर से कुछ बनेगा, sorry सोएगा. Let's make something special from this. It is not that much special, but you know, let's try it. I'll be adding only onion and lemon. Yeah, these two will be my main important ingredients, and after that I won't be adding anything. So let's just try it. These are some masalas, not some I've only got 2 masalas. Wait, yeah, this is for to make a little bit spicy. Now I'll be adding onion and lemon. Okay, so just very much. And now I'll be add some juice of the lemon. I'm mixing this. And it's done. I'll be taking my first bite, and it doesn't look, it doesn't have any difference. You know, there's no difference at all. But still, let me taste it because. A little good. Yeah, it is tasty, but you know, yeah, it's good. And there are some chilies which I don't wanna eat. Good. Hi everyone, so we are heading towards our
First exam.
yeah, and bolo tum kuch.
Today's our first exam, and now I am very nervous.
Yeah, because we haven't studied anything, so it's a kind of do or die situation for both of us. And you know, Anjali is coming, and let me show. Yeah,
Very far away.
yeah, very far away. So kya karega la? We are about to fail the exam, and so you know, we are very much scared right now.
Now I am feeling scared because I don't know why, but kal in third pele I didn't feel anything. Because I am with the
Now we are feeling getting scared. क्या बनना है? Pretty little baby. So this is our second exam. We are क्या बोलेगा? We are appearing our second exam, and you know, we are kind of very nervous. Nervous. Okay, nervous बोलने लगे. And उसके बाद ढाका से sorry. ठीक है, bye bye.